Good morning, children. I am your teacher Simone D'Souza of UKG. Today, in General Awareness, we are going to learn about family. We are going to learn about family. There are two types of family, small family and big family. How many types of families you have, children? Two types of families, small family and big family. Okay? So, we are going to learn about family from page number 94. Children, you will be having brothers and sisters at home, daddy, mummy, brothers and sisters. Then that is a small family. If only mummy, daddy, and you and your sister, or you and your brother, if only four of you all are there, it is a small family. Okay, children? And big family. What is big family? Big family means daddy, mummy, you, your brother and sisters, your grandpa, grandma, auntie, uncles, aunties, uncles, their children, all stay in one house is big family. When you stay together in one house, it is called big family. If only mummy and daddy, you and your brother or sister, it is small family. But all of you living together, grandpa, grandma, aunties, uncles, daddy, mummy, you, your brothers, sisters, your cousins, all this is big family. What family? Big family. When you have more than 4 members in a house, it is called big family. Okay, children? Children, from page number 95. Which type of family do you belong to? Color the pictures. If you, daddy, your sister or brother is with you, then it is a small family. So which picture you have to color? The first one. Small family you have to color. But if you have a big family, if you're staying here all together like grandpa, grandma, aunties, uncles, all niece, cousins, then your father, mother, you, your brother, sister, this is a big family. Then you have to color the picture below. Okay, on page number 95, you have to do this activity and send it to me by Monday. Then, children, read aloud page number 96. Read aloud page number 96. Can you see? Safety at home. Safety at home. So, what is safety at home? All of you are safe at home only? No. Yeah, all of you are safe at home. Then why they are saying safety at home? Can you see small children, what all they will do at home? They will be naughty. But actually they are not naughty. They don't know what is good, what is bad. So what small children like you will do? If you find anything very tasty, you will not go and ask mummy to give it. You will go directly and you will touch it. You won't see whether the vessel is hot or it's cold to touch. You just go and touch anything. Even on the stove, you are so inquisitive that you want to go play with it. Gas stove, pressure cooker, all that you should not touch. Okay? That is not good for you children. It is not safe for your children touching anything which is hot or not go, and you should not go near the stove even. Okay? Then the next picture, can you see? Walk carefully on the wet floor. What you should do? Walk carefully on the wet floor. How many of you, when you see mummy mopping the house or washing the house, what you all do? You all will go and play with the dirty water. You will be walking on that wet place so that your footprints will be there. No? You like seeing your footprints on the wet place. That is wrong. What if you fall? What if you get hurt somewhere? Okay, even if you get hurt slightly, a scratch, all fine. What if you break a bone? What if you break a bone? Who is going to suffer? You. You should not walk on wet surfaces. You will definitely fall and hurt yourself. Okay? From today onwards, if mummy is washing the house, you should not go near the wet place. You should sit in one corner on a chair or cot, sofa, whatever it is. You are not going to walk again on the wet floor. Okay, children? Stay away from sharp objects and tools. Okay, sharp object and tools. Mummy will be having knives. Mummy will be having scissors. No, there is so many sharp objects. Even a fork is a sharp object, no? We are not supposed to use anything in metal. Even forks, we have to use it only in plastic while eating your food, because you will dig yourself or hurt yourself. Your children have to be careful. You should not go near anything mummy uses which is dangerous for you kids. Anything which is sharp. Anything which will cut you or hurt you. Okay? You should be good children. Only naughty children will be touching this. You all are good children. You should not do this. Okay? And then stay away from wires. Stay away from wires and sockets. I know you all want to know what is this wire, why mummy is putting it on. Let it be a bulb or any wire which is connected to the switch, you want to go and touch it, or to the socket. And nowadays there are a lot of beautiful items and mummy will be applying it everywhere. She'll be putting it in the house somewhere. But you guys know, when you see such beautiful things, you don't be quiet. You want to go on the switch, off the switch, pull the wires. No. Miss also has a daughter. When Miss is very busy with the kitchen, she'll be getting up. When she's 2 years, 3 years, she'll get up on the sofa and she'll be putting her hand inside the socket and trying to play with it. Miss cannot do any work. Miss is sitting all the time in front of us seeing what she's doing. You know? So what happens? Mummy loses time. Mummy cannot cook. Mummy cannot do anything. So what happens? In this way, you are not safe, and mummy is also, her mind is on you all. So mummy also is not safe in the kitchen or anywhere. So please children, do not touch anything which is dangerous, especially electricity. Don't go near objects which is connected to electricity. Be far away. Nothing will happen if you don't touch. But if you burn yourself or hurt yourself, you will cry. No, you will definitely cry when you get hurt. So don't go near it. You all are good children. Good children will not touch all that. No. Avoid climbing the shelves and tables. You know, I was small. We were playing a game, I and my friends and my cousins, and it was in my house. You know what Miss did? Because all of them climbed into the cupboard, I also climbed into the cupboard, a wooden cupboard. They call Elmira, no? I climbed into that. You know what happened after that? It could not bear all our weight. The Elmira fell down. And Miss was caught inside the Elmira crying. I was very small. I never got hurt. Definitely I never got hurt. My dad came on time and saved me. But you know what happened? For a few minutes I was in darkness, and few minutes I was inside the Elmira. And I thought I will die there. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say the word, but I was suffocated. It was dark, no one there, only my cousins, and they ran away leaving me alone inside the Elmira. What would have happened? Just think, if you are there, what will happen to you? It's not good children playing with anything like that. Don't climb into any shelves or tables. By accident, if the lock is put and mummy daddy doesn't know where you are, and after 1 or 2 days if we find you, it's dangerous, no? So please don't play in any cupboard or any shelf. Don't go near anything which is dangerous for you. Do not climb window sills. What is a window sill, yeah? Have you ever thought? We all do that. Even I do that. I used to climb in the window. I used to jump on top. And you know what will happen? I'll play with the window. No? And the window will close into the windowsill. And I'll jam my finger. All that happened. I also was naughty like you. But once I got hurt, I started getting frightened. I didn't go and do anything like that again. So children, you also should not climb on the windowsill, because sometimes they will have paint, or sometimes their mummy will put some kind of chemicals on it. We don't know whether it's good or bad. They will have spiders. They'll have so many kinds of insects which is not good for us, or medicines on it which is not good for us. We should try avoiding this, children. Okay, from today onwards we are going to be good children, and we are going to do what mummy and daddy tells us. We are going to be safe at home. Okay, so you are not going to touch all this in future. Okay, good children, take care of yourself, be safe, be good, be healthy, and be wise. Thank you, children. Bye.